Hello, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lumsy. I'm back again with another video, guys. Today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you how to fix snap buttons. If this is your first time coming across my channel, consider subscribing and hit on the notification bell icon so you don't miss any of my sewing tutorials. And to my returning subscribers, you guys are the best. Thank you for always coming back to watch and support my video. For us to make this button snap, you need this, and you also need this. These are the where the buttons would go into. So this one will stay permanent on this. I'm going to be putting it up this way. There's a hole here. Make sure it's tight. And then this one, you decide which one you want to use first. This goes here. These are the ones that you can be changing, but this one remains permanent here. So first of all, let me show you. You will need the button snaps. This is how they come. So this is the button and this comes with it. So this goes with this and this two goes together. So first I will decide which one to use. This one is the one that goes with this. Let me turn it this way. So this one goes with this and this one goes with this. So I am going to be fixing this one first. So let me set this one aside. So this would face up like this. If this is tight, you open it up so this can go in. So as it is like this, this one where the button is going to go down. And this one, the spiky, the one that has this knot, this, I hope you can see it. This one is the one that is going to go up. This is going to face down. So I'll place it like so. I'll fix it here. Now on my fabric, this is how to know the side that will go up. Let me show you. This would be the right side of the fabric, and so the right side of the fabric faces down like this, and you snap it. Very simple, right? Yeah, that's the button. And then when we want to change it, we have to take this off. So I'm going to take this off and then replace it with this. This goes with this, as you can see. So I'm going to put this. Now this is the one, the spiky side. I hope you can see the spiky side. This is smooth. This side is smooth. The spiky side faces up. So I'm going to take this and put this here. This is the one that will go up. Now you have to note this. This side is smooth. I don't know if you can see it. This side is smooth, and this side that has groove inside it is the side that is going to be facing up. So I'm going to place it like this. Yeah, now when we were fixing the button, the right side faced down, right? This time around, the wrong side is going to face up. So I'm going to place it like this, snap it, and that's it. As simple as that. And then this, come to the end of today's video. If you haven't subscribed this time, consider subscribing and hit on the notification bell icon so you don't miss any of my videos. Bye bye. See you on my next video.